Hello students, welcome to the basic math series. Today we'll study about the solution of linear equation part 1. In part 1, we'll study about the linear equation with one variable. So what is the linear equation? Linear equation means deg- degree, degree or power of variable should be one one. So here suppose x plus 4 is equal to 9. So variable is x. So x to the power 1 is there. So it's a linear equation. Like x by is equal to 9. Here degree is 2. So it's a not a linear equation. Or x square is equal to 5 is a not a linear equation. So if so y is equal to 4 is all a linear equation because the power of variable is only 1. Here power of variable is 1 plus 1. So 2. So it's a not linear equation. This is also not a linear equation. So solving linear equation with one variable, only one equation is enough. But if the variable is 2, then there two equation will be required. So here we'll know learn how to solve the linear equation with one variable. So here first is x plus 4 is equal to 9. So in the this equation, you can add or deduct same quantity both sides. So suppose you adding minus 4 and here 9 plus minus 4. Both sides we are adding minus 4. So this will get cancelled. Then x is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So this we can write in one step itself. Like x is equal to 9 minus 4. This side is a positive, so this side it will be negative. So that is equal to 5. Second, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. Third, here we can divide or multiply both sides the same quantity that we can do in the equation. So x by 3 is equal to 4. Then you multiply by 3, 3 both sides. 3, 3 get cancelled. So x is equal to 12. So here the 12 will be the answer. This side 4x is equal to 24. So divide by 4 both sides. 4, 4 get cancelled. Then x is equal to 6. Now come to the this question. So this question how you will solve? 2x minus 3 is equal to 3 by 5 x plus 4. So what you do? This is multiply both side 5. This side also. So 5 5 get cancelled. Now 5 to the 10. Let's say multiply with 10. 10x minus 30 is equal to 3x plus 12. 12. 3 4 ja 12. 3 distributed 3x 3x. So this you take in this side, then it will be 7x 10x minus 3x is equal to 7x, and this one this side. Then 30 plus 12. This is negative, then that side it will be positive. So 30 plus 12, 42. So when x is equal to 42 by 7 is equal to 6. Now come to the next question. 9x minus 4 is equal to 6x plus 29. You take 6x this side and 4 this side. So 3x is equal to 33. Then x is equal to 33 by 3 is equal to 11. Now come to the question number 7. Question number 7 is x minus 7 is divided by x minus 3, 5 by 4. So what you do, you can take it here, and this 4 you can take it here. Then it will be 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 5 into x minus 3. So 4x minus 28 is equal to 5x minus 15. Then this take this side and this side. So what will be the answer? X minus 3. X minus. Then this side and in this side. So 15 minus 28 is equal to 5 x minus 4x. So x is equal to minus 30. Now come to the this question. This question. So you do multiply with and this multiply by 2. So 8m minus 1 is equal to 4m plus 6. So 4m is equal to 7. Then m is equal to 7 by 4 is the answer. Now come to the ninth question. Ninth question, 9x plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then 9x divided by 8 is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Now you do one thing, multiplied by 8 by 9 both sides. Then is this get cancelled, 8 cancelled, and here also you multiply by 8 by 9. So this 9 get cancelled. That means x is equal to 8. Now come to the next question. That is y by 7 plus y minus 4 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then you take LCM. So 7 3 LCM 21. Then 7 3 3, then it will be 3y minus 7 plus 7y minus 4 is equal to 2. Then 21 you multiply by 2. Then 3y plus 7y minus 28 is equal to 42. 42. Then 7 and 10, 10y is equal to this 22, 28 and 42. 28, 42 is 70. Then y is equal to 70 by 10, that is 7. So now come to the 11th question. 11th question is 11. Y minus 4 divided by 3 plus 3y is equal to 4. You take LCM 3, then this will be y minus 4 and plus 3 into 3y is equal to 4. Then y minus 4 plus 9y is equal to 4 3 ja 4 3 ja 12. Then 10y minus 4 is equal to 16. Then 9y or plus y, that is how much? 10y. 10y is equal to 12 plus 4, that is 16. So y is equal to 16 by 10, that is 8 by 5. So now come to the last question. So last question, you just open the bracket. So open the bracket, then it will be 3b plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3 equal to 4. And that is 21. So 3b is equal to 84. 4 into 21, 84. And this minus 3. That is 81. So 3b is equal to 81. So b is equal to 81 by 3. That means 27. Now come to the verbal type question. Verbal type question is Joseph's weight is 2 times the weight of his younger brother. So let younger brother weight is equal to x. Then Joseph weight will be 3x, 2x, no? See, 2 times the weight of it. Then 2x and the sum of these is 63. Matlab x plus 2x will be 63. That means 3x will be 63. So x will be 63 by 3. Then x is 21. Now come to the next question. So x is whose weight? X is younger brother weight. Younger brother weight. So what will be the Joseph weight? Because he is asking Joseph weight. So Joseph weight will be 2 times the younger brother weight. That is 42. So answer will be 42 because it is asking Joseph weight, not the find the Joseph weight, not the younger brother weight. Now come to the question number 14. Numerator of fraction is 5 more than denominator. Let denominator is x. Denominator is x. Then numerator is equal to x plus 5. If numerator fraction is 5 more than the denominator. ठीक है. So fraction will be x plus 5 divided by x. Now if 4 is added to numerator and denominator, you are adding 4 to and 4 here also. So that become 6 by 5. Then here x plus 9 divided by x plus 4 is equal to 6 by 5. Then 5 here you multiply. So 5x plus 45 is equal to 6x plus 24. Then this you take this side, this you take this side. Then 45 minus 21 is equal to x. So that is equal to 24. So 24 will be the answer. Now come to the question number 15. So 15 tells that mother is 25 years older than her son. So let son age is x. Then mother age will be x plus 25. Find the son age if after 8 years ratio of son age to mother age will be 4 by 9. So after 8 years son age will be x plus 8 and mother age will be x plus 25 plus 8 and the ratio will be x plus 8 divided by x plus 25 plus 8 is 33. 33 will be 4 into 9. So you multiply here 9x plus 72 is equal to 4x plus 4 into 33. 4 into 33 is 132. So 5x is equal to 50, then x is equal to 10. The sun age, it is asking sun age only. So answer is 10, 10 years. Unit don't leave. Unit is very important. If unit is there, then must write unit. So here unit is years. Now come to the next question. The denominator of the fraction is greater than numerator by 12. So denominator is greater than the let numerator is x. Then denominator of the fraction is greater its numerator by 12. So denominator will be x plus 12. If the numerator is decreased by 2, so x minus 2 and denominator is increased by 7. 7 you increase, then equivalent is half. Then you find then it will be x minus 2 divided by x plus 19, 12, 7, 19 is equal to half. 2 multiply here, then it 2x minus 4 is equal to x plus 19. So you take it here and this here. So it will be positive here and it is negative here. So 2x minus x is equal to 19 plus 4. Then x is equal to 23. So what will be the fraction? So fraction will be 23 divided by 23 plus 12. That means 23 by 35. So this will be the answer. Now come to the next question. Next question says the ratio of weight of copper and zinc in brass. Actually, brass is made of copper and zinc. Is 13.7. Find the weight if the zinc in the brass utensil weighing 700 gram. So weight of copper, zinc. Then this one you can take K as a proportionality constant. So copper weight will be 13 K and zinc weight will be 7 K and the weight of zinc in utensil is 700 gram. That means 7K is equal to 700. Then K is equal to 100. Find the weight of zinc in brass utensil weighing no total weight is 700. Total weight is 700. That means 13K plus 7K is equal to 700. That means 20K is equal to 700. Then K is equal to 35. Then zinc weight is asking now. So zinc weight will be 35 into how much? K is 35 and 7. 245 gram. That will be the answer. So now must write unit. Unit is very important. Find three consecutive whole numbers whose sum is more than 45 but less than 54. So three consecutive number x, x plus 1 and x plus 2 you can take. So add it, it will be greater than 45. So 3x plus 3 is greater than 45. So in inequality you can add anything like equation. Linear inequality also you can add or subtract anything. So here you add minus 3. So 3 got cancelled. So 3x is greater than 42. And for positive number you can divide or multiply both sides. Positive number, negative number if you will do, then inequality will reverse. So you divide by 3. So 14. So x will be greater than 14. So this will is first. Second is x plus 1 plus x plus 2 should be less than 54. So 3x plus 3 should be less than 54. So 3x should be minus 3 you add both sides. Minus 3 you add both sides. Less than 51. So x should be less than 17. So what is the number between 14 and 17? This is a 15 only and 16 only. So three consecutive number will be 15, 16, 17 or 16, 17 and 18. So this is the answer of question 4. Now come to the question number 5. So question number 5 says in a two-digit number, digit at 10 place is twice the digit at unit place. If the number obtained by interchanging the digit is added to original number, then the sum is 66. So suppose you are having 25. So how you can write 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1? Or if you are having 125, then 100th place you you multiply by 100, and 10th place you multiply by 2, and unit place multiplied by 1. So that way you can write. So here what is telling, that 2-digit number, digit at tens place is twice the digit at unit place. Suppose number at unit place is x. Then what will be the number? That is 2x into 10 plus x. That will be the number. Now, if the number of 10 by interchanging the digit added to original number. So, if we interchange the number, then interchange number will be x into 10 plus 2x. Now, if you add both, then it will be 66. So, you add both. So, 10 into 2x is 20x, or here 10x. So, 20x or plus 10x, 30x. 30x or plus x and 2x, 3x, that is equal to 66. Then 33x is equal to 66. Then x is equal to 2. Then is a initial number is twice the 2x. Then it will be 40 plus 2. That is 42. 42 will be the number. Now come to the next question. Some tickets of rupees 200 and some of 100 of a drama in a theater were sold. Okay. The number of tickets sold 200 was 20 more than number of tickets sold 100. And the total amount received by the theater is 3700. Find the number of. So suppose number of ticket of rupees 100 sold is equal to x. Then 200 rupees ticket will be sold how much? X plus 20. So total amount collected will be x plus 20 into 200 plus x into 100 is equal to 37,000. So 200x plus 4,000 is equal to plus 100x is equal to 37,000. So 200x plus 100x, 300x is equal to 33,000. So you divide it by 33,000 divided by 300. So 3 and that is equal to x. So 100 rupees we had assumed is 100 x only. So value of x is 110. That means 110 ticket of rupees 100 sold, and 130 numbers of ticket of rupees 200 sold. Now come to the seventh question. Seventh question, of the three consecutive natural number, 5 times the smallest number is 9 more than 4 times the greatest number. So three consecutive number, x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. So 5 times the smallest number is 9 more than the 4 times the greatest number. So 4 times the greatest number, x plus 2. Which one is more? The smallest number, 5 times. So this will be the equation. Then 4x plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 5x. So take this side. Then 17 will be x. So 17 will be x. Then the numbers will be, this is 17, this is 18, this is 19. So number will be 17, 18 and 19. Now come to the question number 8. Raju sold a bicycle to Amit at 8% profit. Okay. Amit repaired it and spending 54, then sold bicycle to Nikhil in 1134 with no loss and profit. Find the cost price. So let cost price x. Then profit will be 8% of x. So 8 into 100. So total price to Nikhil is Amit is x plus 100, and he has spent 54 rupees also. So that will be 34. So you take 100 100x plus 8x is equal to 1154 minus 54, which is 1080. It is 108x divided by 100 is equal to 1080. Then x is equal to 1080 into 100 divided by 108. So this is 10 and this is equal to 12. This is the answer. Now come to the ninth question. Ninth question says a cricket player has scored 180 runs in first match, 257 in second match. Find the number he should score in third match so that the average run in three match is 230. So let third match score. Third match score is x. Then 180 plus 257 plus x divided by 3 is equal to 230. So 180 plus 257 plus x is equal to 690. Then x is equal to 690 minus 180 257. So that is equal to 690 minus 437. So that you also deduct, then it will be 257. That is equal to 257. So again he has to score 257. Then only he will reach the average score of 230. Now come to the last question. So last question says Sudhir present age is 5 more than the 3 times the age of Biru. So let more than the 3 times. Let Biru age is equal to x. Then Sudhir present age is 5 more than 3 times the Biru. 3 times Biru plus 5. Anil age is half the age of Sudhir. Then Anil is half the age of Sudhir. 3x plus 5 divided by 2 is Sudhir. Okay. If the ratio of sum of the Sudhir and Biru age. So Sudhir and Biru age sum is 3x plus 5 plus x. Sum of ratio of sum of Sudhir and Biru age the 3 times the Anil age. So what is Anil age? Anil age is 3x plus 5 into 2. That is equal to 5 by 6. Then you take 6 here. So 3x plus x 4x plus 5 into 2 divided by 3 into 3x plus 5. So either you multiply 3 by 2 or here also 5 by 6. So this is 2 by 3. Then you are multiplying 3 by 2, so 2 by 2 cut 2. So here also you will have to multiply by 3 by 2. So 5 by 4. Now for this way you multiply for 16x plus 20 is equal to 15x plus 25. Then this will go here. Then it will be x is equal to 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. So this is the answer. So this is the solution of linear equation with one variable. In next part, we'll learn linear equation with two variables. Two variables. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.